So this is our first full day in Engen?
Engen.
All right. Apparently I'm saying it wrong. I thought I was saying it okay. But we're gonna go see some waterfalls, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In Switzerland.
In Switzerland. We're right on the border, so this is another country that we're going to. I didn't film anything yesterday, but I'll catch up on that later. For now, enjoy the scenery. I made it out to the waterfall and it's so loud, but it's really gorgeous. This is the boat we took out. Say hi. It's really pretty, it's just really loud and insane. And I feel like if you fell in here, you would kind of probably die. So, probably die. This shit is crazy! This is so insane, it's so scary. I'm like, oh, I'm so glad there's a railing. Okay, Matt, Luke, I'm not entirely sure if you guys are even gonna watch this, but this is what Corinne climbed. She is like on top of the fucking waterfall right now. Please tell her how much more protection there was at the Eiffel Tower and she totally could have done that.